In terms of, let's say you want to go on a diet, what I recommend is you initially have a goal or set a vision in terms of what do you want to accomplish. Because at the end of the day, they just say like, I want to go on a diet, but if you don't have the specific things in mind in terms of how to achieve it, after a week or after a month, you'll go back to your regular routine. So what I recommend is, example, if I want to go on a diet before, when let's say per meal, let's say breakfast, lunch, or dinner, I would have like 3 cups of rice per meal. So if I want to go on a diet, I wouldn't eliminate it right away, like no rice per meal, which normally a lot of people does that. And if they do, what happens is that, they become dizzy, they easily give up after like, a week or a couple of days. So I recommend set a goal, be specific with your goals, and monitor per week. For example, let's say per meal, instead of 3 cups of rice, I would focus on just 1.5 for the first week. Then before you start, of course, you need to check your weight. Then end of the week or start of the week, let's say Monday, you check if there's progress. And if there is, the next week, you lessen your rice from 1.5 to 1 cup, and so on, so on. But the key here is that you need to check what's your goal, what's your objective, and at the same time, you make sure that you monitor your progress on a week-to-week basis. And of course, this is something I really emphasize. It's not enough that you're going on a diet. The best part is you combine your diet with daily exercise. It doesn't mean you need to work out for like 2 to 3 hours a day. At least like 30 minutes, cardio, treadmill, bike, jogging, going to the gym. Just balance your diet and your exercise, and I guarantee most of the time you'll be able to achieve your goal. Be great, guys.